Do you know that under the kitchen faucet is often missed a lot when cleaning the sink? I'm not kidding y'all, run and check after this video of course. In this video, I'm going to show you another cleaning hack you can use to remove hard water stains under your faucets without harsh chemicals but just raw lemon juice. By using this trick, you will not only enhance the aesthetics of your kitchen faucet but also improve its overall performance. Quick heads up, before you go all in with lemon on the faucet, test it on a hidden spot. That way you will know for sure it won't mess with the finish. It's a smart move whenever trying new cleaning tricks or products. Let's get right into the cleaning. Grab a lemon, cut it in half and extract just the right amount of the lemon juice into a Ziploc bag to cover the base of the faucet, then tie with a rubber band just like I'm doing here. Let it boil for about 20 minutes to an hour. Note that some hard water deposits are mild and will not need too much time to soak, okay? So I suggest you check the progress after say 20 minutes. If your faucet is removable from the hose, go ahead and do so and pour the lemon juice in a bowl and place the faucet like I did in this video. Check it out here for more information. As you can see, the lemon juice is already breaking down the mineral deposits. After removing the bag, you can already see the difference, right? Now let's clean that up and remove any loose debris and then rinse thoroughly. I've also covered this topic of hard water removal on faucets using vinegar. Check it out here for more information. Please do share this video with your family and friends as this will help someone out there. Okay, now check out the before and now the after. The transformation is amazing. The acid from the lemon worked wonders and dissolved the mineral deposits, leaving the faucet sparkling clean. Now this is what happens when you use lemon to clean under your faucet, my friends. Until next time, take care of you, my friend, because you're special. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.